So what else we need to have in this video that we can see we can increase this one. So I can increase it 10,000 and you can see we have something like this. And what I can do, I can go for this, I can increase the plane a bit so I can have more small kind of thing in here. Right. Now we have lots of pieces or lots of same random some rotation is there, some randomization is there, and I am not using the scaling thing in here right now. All right, everything is same. Because why I'm not using this, because of I need to have some path kind of thing in here, like some road is going there, So how can I make this happen? So you can see we have this curve and click here and just simple click here like so and enter, and you have simple normal Maya curve, right? In Maya curve I always rebuild it, so curve and go to rebuild and rebuild with maybe 10 and rebuild it so I can have more points we have here to have a smooth curve and all, right? So now how can I use this? This is the main thing to know. So first thing, we need to click on this one and we have a strength thing. Strength is here. Strength is also known as mute. So if you're not finding the strength option, you have option called mute. You can use this also. The same thing is happening. The name is changed. So here we can have a strength, and if I have a strength, you can see you have a position strength which is not needed at all. Why it is not needed? Because of we have randomization we have there, so I can switch it off. Rotation, and we have scale. So now we don't need scale also in here. Now we have scale also, but we don't need in here scale. What I need, because of everything is taken care of by two nodes we have here. So we need this Falloff object. So this Falloff object is enable scale only. So again we have come back to scaling and all. It is extremely important, I can tell you. So you can see here in this black dark rectangle box we have here. Right click on it, you can see we can create something. So you can go for this outliner and minimize everything. You can see we don't have any spatial thing, but if I right click and create it, we have, and the spatial thing we have. So what is this? It is Falloff strength. All right. So Falloff strength means is what, that if I zoom this and you can see we have a Falloff kind of thing. That means we have inner, you can see we have a small sphere and we have a big sphere. A feather kind of thing is happening here, right? But if I increase this, what will happen? You can see if I increase this is going to happen. So you can see we have something like this, but this is invert button we have here. So if I click on this, now suppose if you need a pond or a lake kind of thing is here, or maybe a mysterious place is this. So you don't need to have any kind of objects or grasses. So you can use this method also. This is a pretty nice method. But in this case, what I need a path. Right. So now select it, and now you can see we have selected that a gizmo kind of thing, and copy the tab, and here we need to have lots of changes. And here now the first option, you can see this is inverted. Now you can see this is the invert option in here, and inner zone means is the feathering thing. So if I increase this, you can see the feather is getting bigger and bigger, and if I make it 0, now you can see lots of feather we have here. So what I need to have first the sphere has to be nerve curve. Now nothing is there because of the gizmo is gone. So where should I put this curve, right? So you can see connection option is there. You can click here and you can see it is asking for you that where is the nerve curve, and middle mouse, always middle mouse drag and drop that and put it right here. So once you do that, you can see again, then and there we have something is happening, but this is very less. It is not a thick kind of thing. So how can I make it thick? Because you can see we have additional settings, right? If I click here, and now you can see we have custom shape radius. You can increase these things. So lots of options we have here, and you can see we have the thickness right here. But we have seen that this is looking like not a jungle kind of thing. It is like garden kind of thing. Everything is proper. So this inner is going to be the helpful for in this case. So make it 0 to get more fall off kind of thing, or small things we have here. But if I make it hide, you can see what happens that we don't have any kind of anything in between of it. So what I can do, we have this fall off ramp, right? So selected value is 1, make it 0.95. What will happen, it will have little bit of things, suppose 0.9, you can see, and 0.95. Now you can see we have little bit of things in that area, because of it is not truth that nothing is there. No, nothing, it is not happening in the real world. So something should be there in that path. So now you can see, still we can see proper path along with this kind of irregularity in this situation, right? So this is how you can use this number, and this is 0, this is nerve curve inverted. If it is not inverted, now you can see the path is going to be having some grasses, or you can use like stones kind of thing. So if it is inverted, it's going to be a path. So this is how you can use this fall off mesh strength shape kind of thing with this path, and this is how you can very easily fix to get a proper and natural path. And as well as I can show you, right click and go to control vertex. If I make it on, now what happens, because of this is a procedural kind of approach. So what happens if I change it, if I increase the fall off of it, if I change this one, it is updating in a real time. So this is extremely powerful kind of thing. So it is like updating in a real time kind of thing. So this is how you can make some creative thing with this kind of new tool of Maya.